Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see private account posts on Instagram without following. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, search for any private account you want. And as we know, we can't see the private account instantly. We must wait to follow it. So as we don't want to follow it, what we will do is just search for their name. Suppose I'm searching for, and here you currently see this account is private. So all we need to do is search for their name and just go for their tagged options in which posts they are tagged in, and then you will able to see what they are interacting with and what are in their private account. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can access it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.